Hi. If you're watching this video, chances are you are probably alone right now. And being alone often creates feelings of sadness or anxiety. Being trapped in your own thoughts can be a really scary thing because you never know where it will lead you. One way or another, you end up feeling hopeless and disappointed, trapped in a depression. You may have landed on this video because you are looking for ways to cope with all of the things that are going through your head. Maybe you've tried distracting yourself by listening to loud music or browsing the internet or sleeping for hours. Whatever it looks like for you, I'm happy to tell you that there is hope for you and you do not have to live like this. I want to encourage you to talk to God because He is ready even now to listen to anything you have to say. He cares about you and what you're struggling with, and He wants to offer you healing. Through the Bible, we learn of His infinite wisdom and the love that comes through knowing and being in relationship with His Son, Jesus. And He's given us an opportunity to be in community with others who are there to build us up and encourage us. And this is known as the church. And I'm sure you have lots of questions about what it means to find purpose and love in God. And we would love to get you connected with someone that can answer any of those questions that you might have. Please click to start a conversation with someone who cares. And we are here to help you in this time of fear and loneliness. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.